back to my channel. 40 years ago, the Experimental Prototype Community of Tomorrow, or EPCOT, opened its doors to all guests to show that one little spark of inspiration is at the heart of all creation, and to connect us with the world around us through international food and culture. To celebrate the 40th anniversary of EPCOT, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I decorated a top forward cake inspired by Spaceship Earth. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking. To make this cake, I layered and dirty iced 2 8-inch round cakes then placed them in the fridge to cool. Since this cake will be standing up, the bottom of the cake needs to be iced as well. I took the cake out of the fridge, placed parchment paper on top of the cake, and carefully flipped it. I dirty iced the bottom, then placed it back in the fridge to chill. Now it's time to ice the cake in the white buttercream until it is nice and smooth. Place it back in the fridge to chill for a bit, flip the cake over again, and ice the other side of the cake. After chilling in the fridge one more time, I mixed silver edible luster dust with some clear vanilla extract to create a paint-like consistency. Then I painted the entire top of the cake with the silver dust. This will help make the design of the cake stand out. I allowed the silver to dry and chill before really making this cake look like Spaceship Earth. I made a stencil with my Cricut and placed it on top of the cake. I made sure it was nice and flat, then spread the white buttercream over the stencil. Once the buttercream was smooth, I lightly brushed some sparkly luster dust, then carefully removed it. If there were any touch-ups that needed to be done, I took a small brush and carefully fixed any spots that were there. I placed the cake one more time in the fridge to chill the buttercream before making this cake stand up. In order to make this cake stand up, I have to make a flat surface. I cut a piece of the cake, applied a layer of buttercream to the cut part and the cake board, and carefully tilt it onto its side. Finally, I added some roses to bring some extra color to the cake. And that's how I made a top forward cake inspired by Spaceship Earth to celebrate the 40th anniversary of EPCOT. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had so much fun making this cake and I hope you did as well. If you recreate the Spaceship Earth cake or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well, enjoy your cake, and happy 40th anniversary EPCOT. Bye!